स्वागत है आप सबका फिर से। आप देख रहे हैं कम्युनिटी रानप और मैं हूं विकास नांगिया। मल्टी टैलेंटेड स्टार फरहान अख्तर आजकल अमेरिका में हैं अपने कॉन्सर्ट टूर जिंदा के साथ। लाइव टू यू प्रोडक्शंस द्वारा आयोजित 6 सिटी कॉन्सर्ट टूर जिंदा बीते सप्ताह डैलस, सैन फ्रांसिस्को और ह्यूस्टन में सोल्ड आउट रहा। इस टूर में रॉक स्टार फरहान अख्तर के साथ स्टेज और प्लेबैक सिंगर पेपॉन भी हैं। डैलस टेक्सास में इन दोनों ने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस संबोधित की। टीवी एशिया से सीमा गोविल की यह रिपोर्ट।
We are here waiting for the artist who changed the look, feel and style of Bollywood cinema. Yes, I'm talking about Farhan Akhtar. He's here in Dallas, Texas, and the entire press is waiting for him to arrive. This press conference is organized by Mo Labs, Hiba Entertainment, Mera Box Office and American Bollywood. This is Seema Govil for TV Asia.
कहता है मेरा क्या मैं बताऊं, तुम ये समझोगे शायद मैं पागल हूँ। दिल करता है टीवी टावर पे मैं चढ़ जाऊं, चिल्ला चिल्ला के मैं ये।
So here I am for the man behind Farhan Live Zinda tour, Mr. Karl Kalra from Live to You. So you have brought in the best of Bollywood to this US. So what do you have to say for this concert, Mr. Kalra?
Oh, this is a rock concert. Bollywood rock concert, first time in US. Nothing more than that. Farhan Akhtar, Papon, you can't get a match. You know, never happened. First time you will see the people jumping, dancing, going to stage, and artists are jumping in the public. He is a Bon Jovi of India, and you know, he don't need an introduction. Farhan Akhtar, Papon, again new sensation. Believe me, they will rock.
So we have 6 shows starting from Dallas, then going to San Jose, then we are going to coming back to Texas, Houston. Then we are going to Chicago 27th, then 28th we are going to New Jersey, then we are doing DC Memorial Day.
रॉक ऑन फिल्म से अपने एक्टिंग करियर की शुरुआत करते निर्माता, निर्देशक, स्क्रीन राइटर फरहान अख्तर एक नया इतिहास रच रहे हैं, इस बार बतौर सिंगर। मल्टी टैलेंटेड रॉक स्टार्स की पर्सनालिटी लिए फरहान अख्तर अमेरिका में जिंदा कॉन्सर्ट टूर से पहले इंडिया में फरहान लाइव कॉन्सर्ट में हजारों का दिल जीत चुके हैं। डैलस टेक्सास में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस संबोधित करते हुए फरहान ने कहा कि बचपन से ही वह बीटल्स रॉक बैंड के दीवाने रहे हैं। अगर मुमकिन होता तो वह इस ग्रुप के 5वें सदस्य बन जाते।
I don't think I'm alone in that feeling. You know, I've grown up. My first influence of music was the Beatles, and there was a tape that I had of the Beatles. You know, the best of. That I completely ran. It was just erased by the time I was done with it. I used to just play it in loop on a Walkman that eventually could turn sides by itself. So we were too lazy to even actually remove the tape and put it back in. So that was the greatest influence.
Let's know what you have in mind, how you plan to entertain the entire country and create the buzz that Farhan came. This is what happened.
You know, there's something I genuinely do feel, even when we go out and promote films, you know, we get asked a lot of questions about the details of those movies. You know, so what was it like working with? What's the film about? How was that action done? And I feel that there's a certain joy of discovery, of just watching something and experiencing something that should be left for that moment. So to say, oh, it's going to be amazing, you know, there's going to be awesome music, and there'll be great songs that, I mean, everyone's kind of aware of what kind of music is going to happen. But I feel that the joy of discovery, of being there and just being in that moment without having any kind of anticipation or expectation of what it is you're about to experience is so much nicer.
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान पेपॉन ने सभी की फरमाइश पर कुछ गीतों को गुनगुनाया। मेलोडी और जोश से भरा कॉन्सर्ट जिंदा आम कॉन्सर्ट से यकीनन कुछ हटके है।
बुलाओगे न शाम की करारी चाय, रंगों से पिलाओगे, तुम गए हो क्यों, रात बाकी है, गए तुम गए, हम थम गए, हर बात बाकी है गए क्यों.
I represent Mera Box Office along with Molabs Media, Hiba Entertainment and American Bollywood TV, and we are very proud to get Farhan Akhtar in Dallas, this press conference at Aloft. We have put a lot of work on this. Whole team has worked a lot. Whole Dallas has supported us in this, and we're looking forward to it.
Zinda Tour is going to be very rocking, and the Dallas fans and all over US can expect Farhan to give them the most incredible rocking music, amazing artist, talented guy. They're going to be just blown away.
Sky Pass is always honored. Let me put it this way. We are privileged to host this particular show. And Farhan, like I mentioned earlier, we go a long way back. Met him at the IFA Awards, and that's where we really got to know him. So definitely a versatile actor, a good singer. So this show is going to really rock on, let me put it that way. So I'm sure Farhan will really warm our hearts.
And let's rock. That's all I want to say.